Pettinelli didn't have any protected characteristic that generally you'd be able to bring a claim on this basis, save that he could say, well, I've got the caring responsibilities.
Yeah. So the protected characteristic in this case would be sex, but it would be specifically being a woman.
Yeah.
Because of that statistically you're more likely to have caring responsibilities if you're a woman. So he suffered the same disadvantage, even though he was not a woman.
Yeah, but this, again, I think a lot of people would say, well, that kind of makes sense, right? He's also suffering the detriment. It's just like Mrs. Nicolova in a 10-foot metre above a house. He's suffering it too. He's got caring responsibilities too. Yeah. He should be able to bring a claim. What about Mrs. Kerr?
So Mrs. Kerr lived in France, but she was a British national. So she did not have the protected characteristic of race, right? Because she was a British national. So in theory, the other British nationals were living locally. They weren't affected by these changes, or not in the same way. So she brought an indirect discrimination claim on the basis that she was suffering the same disadvantage as the non-British nationals that were living abroad.
Right. So, and again, same as the 10-foot metre, right? She's just suffering just as much.
She was living in France, just like the other employees that were living over in France. She was going to struggle to comply with these changes.